If you've ever wondered which Power BI connection mode you should use, import, DirectQuery, or live connection, this is the cleanest explanation you'll ever get. Power BI gives you three main ways to connect to data, and choosing the wrong one can make your report slow, confusing, or even impossible to update. So let's break them down, what they do, the pros and cons, and when you should pick each one. Import mode is the default and the most common. Power BI copies your data into a compressed, in-memory model inside your report. Once it's imported, the report is extremely fast. Best things about import: you have the fastest performance, full DAX support, full modeling flexibility, and it works offline. The drawbacks: file sizes can grow very large, scheduled refreshes are needed, and it's not ideal for giant data sets. So use import when you have clean, structured data under a few 100 million rows and you want the fastest, smoothest reporting experience. DirectQuery doesn't copy your data. Instead, Power BI sends queries live to the source database every time a user interacts with a visual. The advantages of DirectQuery: it can handle huge data sets, it's always up to date, and no refresh is required. The drawbacks: it is much slower, it has limited DAX patterns, it has many modeling restrictions, and it places a heavy load on the source system. So use DirectQuery when your data is too large to import or the business requires real-time or near real-time data. A live connection is different from DirectQuery. Instead of connecting to a database, Power BI connects to an existing analysis service or Power BI dataset. Your report does not and will not have its own model. It uses the model that's already built. It's great for enterprise semantic models, centralized governance, and consistency across many reports. The drawbacks: well, it's limited by no local modeling, no combining of additional tables, and you rely entirely on the upstream modeler. So use live connection when your company has a shared, certified enterprise dataset, and you want one version of the truth for everyone. Here's the quick rule of thumb. Import is the fastest and most flexible. DirectQuery is for huge or real-time data, and live connection is for shared enterprise models. If you want practical Power BI lessons that make everything simpler, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.